welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year's to everybody. It's 2018. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. But I wanted to do a room tour because every single year we always get new pillows, new sheets and everything, and especially this is like our new house, so I just wanted to do a little room tour, a new update of the room tour. I still have every single like furniture piece in the last room tour, but it's a little bit different. So I'm just gonna take you around my room. Although everything is not finished in here, I want like a rug, I want like the TV on the wall. Like there's gonna be another update soon, but for right now, let's take a look at it. Okay, so coming from my door, you see my dresser, and if you look around, you see the bed and the shelf. Okay, so coming from my door, we have my white dresser. Everything is just like clothes except for this one. This one has like, it's just a basically junk drawer. Have my TV on top. I always put these things on because it just looks pretty. Okay, and then I really don't like the off white. I really want a different shade for this, but for right now it's gonna deal because there's just two different whites here and I just don't like it. But I love the Eiffel Tower. It goes with my painting that's above my bed. And that's pretty much that. Got my lights I got off of eBay. Moving on to my window and these curtains. These curtains were actually here when we moved in, so I just kept them and I just added my regular white ones because I really like those white ones just to go with my bedroom. Moving on to my little nightstand. I got my cords, wires going up there, my mug, my regular flower cup, my glasses, water, and there's basically nothing here. I don't know what's in here. Yeah, my glasses, my phone. Moving on to my bed. I got the comforter off of Walmart actually. It's amazing. I love it. So my headboard, bed frame, everything is off of actually Craigslist. I got the nightstand, headboard, and shelf for like $100, and I got the dresser for $50. But these are the cushions that it came with. It came with like a little throw, and it's just so cute. Okay, so above my bed, I have my Eiffel Tower. This was a gift, so I don't know where it's from, but I really love it. I got it like a year ago, and it's just amazing. I love it. Okay, moving from my painting, I have my other light over here. There is no light in this room. It's like horrible, but I just use these lights. Okay, so in my closet, I have my bag hanging on there. Let me open it. Okay, so I got my, like most of my jeans are here. Then I changed my bed set, so that's gonna be up there. And here I have my bath stuff, like when I go take a shower, I just take this. I have my pillows, my towel, some dresses over here, jackets. Have my clothes over here. I have this cat, my cat bed. She doesn't even go in it anymore. She just lays on my bed right there. So I just put this in here. She doesn't use it, but that's my shoe, my coins, the comforter bag that it came in, my backpack, and a suitcase. It's empty now, but whatever. And a fan. Okay, moving on from the closet, we have my cat's food and water. She has one outside the room, but for her, like when she's in here, she uses that. Next to the door, we have my shelf. I would love to put a wall decor Eiffel Tower right there, because like it looks plain to me. It looks like something should be there, so I'm just gonna find one. Okay, so in my shelf we have all my perfumes, deodorant, you know, all that beauty stuff. We have just little cute decors, elephants, my cat treats down there, and the cat little plates. It's so cute. Picture album, little candles, everything. That's in this shelf. And over here I just have little boxes. My mom and dad got these little boxes, so I wanted to keep them, so they just let me keep them. And in this bag there's these little pebbles, so that's what's in there. And we are back at the door. And that's pretty much my room, guys. So that was pretty much it for my room tour. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.